folks, it's me again, chewing gum. I'll try not to go to the whole video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do all that kind of button stuff, whatever, before you watch this video. So far, it's the, what do you call it? This will be the weekly What's New. What's New, not much. Took a break for holidays. Put out the Merry Christmas video. Put out the, what do you call it? The Happy Holidays. I hope everybody had a great holiday. I'll probably get to this video sometime after the holidays. Channel's still going great. Got a little low in watch hours, but you know what? I don't really care. I'm having fun. Got this Honda 200 here, which I found out you cannot buy brand new fenders for. So I might, if anybody's watching, if I can acquire a crappy set of fenders for now, I think I might have a pair, because I think somebody put a set of 200 fenders on that big red I demolished, and I think I kept the fenders for some reason. So, but I think they're the same thing. I don't know. I have to go check in my storage. But I do have a set of 200 fenders, which will fit, but I want nice fenders. And I'm thinking, if I can get a cheap junk pair of fenders to see where the bolt holes go, and if I can line up that trunk in the right spot, I'm going to put the welding machine to use, because I'm pretty sure the front hole tabs are in a similar place. And if I can get that thing to cover the back part, you know, okay, where the gas tank is, and do a little thing, surgery, I'm going to get it to fit. Or I'm going to throw the framework and buy another bike with a lettered gear and keep the motor and stuff, if it works. But other than that, I'm having fun with it. I'm waiting for a Shindy carb kit. I ordered 2 brake cables, a throttle cable, and a rear brake cable. So far, that's it. And a couple of little bolts. And I've been cleaning the carb. And I'll be posting a video probably before this, but cleaning the carb. The seat is awaiting, apparently, High Flight. I found out from High Flight, they called me back, that they make a seat cover and a seat foam that fits exclusively. And I learned some interesting things about the Big Red. But I'll make another video of that, because it's a long story. But yeah, so anyway, that's pretty much it. I've been tinkering, riding around with the kids on my Big Red. I got to bring the other Big Red in for a filter change, oil change, and I got to check the gear oil. Probably change the rear gear oil, because I don't think any of it's ever been changed. I should have did it before this winter, but I forgot. The bike is thankfully running awesome. I got a few projects in my shop that I'm working on. As soon as January hits, I will be sending I'm giving the guy a break, because you know what? I'll be sending stuff throughout the powder coat. I'll be working on the front end of this one. My shed's almost done, so this one might go in the shed soon. Well, it's not almost done. It's covered. It's getting a finishing piece of the wall. It's getting a door and some Tyvek, the wall outer wrap. The roof is temporarily just, it's about 1/3 done. I ran out of money. Not rich, so I gotta get some more. Actually, I got enough wood for half. I gotta buy some wood for the other half, but I'll take my time, because nobody likes climbing on frozen, icy scaffolding in the middle of winter. So, and I'm not about to crawl on a wet, icy roof. So I might, if I do work on the roof, I'm gonna move the scaffolding on the other side. Basically, throw a couple of sheets up as far as I can get, and that's it. And then keep it covered for now. It's basically, I'm keeping the snow and rain out of it. Tyvek around it, door and a lock. It's mostly to keep junk in, lawnmower, stuff like that. With that said, still here, making videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends. This is just a short thing. I'm still tinkering in my garage. I will be working on the sandblaster soon. And I'm pretty sure it's going to be, I have free time this week. It's going to rain and snow all week. So I'll probably have to do it like 2 o'clock in the morning. But I gotta just weld a square box on the bottom. Zip it shut. I have all the plates there. It should take me 10 minutes, but it's just, I need at least 2 hours, maybe. Gotta sit there and tack it all together, put it on there, weld, and then wait a while, make sure the building doesn't burn down, put everything away. So with that said, I'll be doing stuff, and then I got all kinds of stuff on that sandblast and fix. And so anyway, I hope you are enjoying the channel, and I got a bunch of funky videos coming. Thanks for watching. Toodles.